Well, this Air and Space Museum in Smithsonian, rather. Air and Space Museum in Northern Virginia. So here are some of the things that people could buy from here, well, including all the planes and rockets that are on display here, including the Discovery Space Shuttle that I just saw. Physical, it's available here for people to look at and buy all the different, things from here. Well, they've got the helmets, shirts, tools, little mini toys, and even books, paper airplanes and whatnot. Yeah, Top Gun. Top Gun is here, an American Story, and the making of the atomic bomb, etc. All these exciting books are here, including the Thunderbird pullback plane. In case you want to see it up close in my hand, here it is. Yes, sir. It's flying to Hawaii. It's flying to Hawaii or Seattle from DC, in case you want to board it. Yes, sir. So it's just arrived in landing now. Yes, sir. And then going to different places. Different planes, different people, different places, different toys. Boy, I need my space is what he says. Yes, neat. Yes, all these different toys. I'm waiting to go to the a movie on Deep Sky. So therefore, I am visiting the museum, or the rather shopping, because I still have about 10 minutes to make a short clip. Oh, Deep Sky is all about how it looks from the space, the sky, and its history to describe in the movie as well. So it must be amazing. It's called the Star Trek SR-71. Boy, Smithsonian bag for you. It's only $5. And in case you are a NASA fan, you can buy a NASA shirt. Yes, NASA. NASA. Yes, sir. And all the stories from the space shuttle. A book written by John Glenn. Memoir. Or about John Glenn, rather. And all these little, this toys, etc. Okay. And therefore, it's really recommended that people come here and visit. Yes. It's not as big as some of the other museums I have seen in locations like this, but still it has a lot to offer. It says National Air and Space Museum in Northern Virginia. Goodbye.